Hi guys, Matt from 123myIT here, and in this video we will show you how to reset the SMC on your latest MacBook Pro. What is SMC, I hear you ask? SMC stands for System Management Controller, and it controls all the low-level functions on your MacBook Pro. Resetting the SMC can fix things on your Mac like the fans running at high speeds, keyboard backlight issues, your Mac not responding when you press the power button, and a whole host of other issues with sound and any little funny things that are happening with your Mac. Resetting the SMC might actually resolve that. So how do we reset the SMC? Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is just shut down your Mac if you can. So you can do that just by going to the shutdown menu and shut down or hold down your power button for 10 seconds if the shutdown menu doesn't work. Once the Mac's powered off, what we want to do is we want to hold down your shift button, your control button and your option button all at the same time. And then we want to hold down our power button for 10 seconds. So count to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let go. And then just hold your power button down again. And that should then start your Mac up. Now, if you've got the Mac which has the T2 chip on it, what you're going to need to do is go to Apple and shut down, and then just shut down your Mac again. After your Mac shuts down, what you're going to do is hold down your power button. So press and hold it down for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let go of it. And then press your button again, your power button again, to turn the Mac on. Obviously this Mac doesn't have the T2 chip, but that's if you have the later model with the T2 chip. If that doesn't work, then shut down your Mac again. And after your Mac is shut down, press and hold down the right shift key, which is this one here, and then the left option key, which is this one here, and hold it for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then hold down your power button for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then let them go. Once you let them go, normally it will still stay black, but then just press your power button and let your Mac come up, and then you have reset your SMC on your Mac with the Mac notebook with the T2 chipset. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it from me. If this was a helpful video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.